Check out the 2012 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.